Hi everyone, and welcome to Super Simple Excel Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum a range of visible cells while ignoring hidden cells. I have a data set here that shows different parts that a business has sold. You can see that each invoice shown is color-coded by the type of part that was sold. Purple for parts beginning with the letter P, beige for parts beginning with Y, and blue for parts beginning with B. To simply see how many total parts were sold, I can use a sum formula. In the formula bar, I'm going to type sum, S-U-M, open parenthesis, and select the range of cells I want to sum. Now close parenthesis and hit enter. The result of 2950 tells us that 2,950 parts were sold in total. That's all the P's, Y's, and B's together. Now let's use a subtotal formula to sum the same range. Subtotal, open parenthesis. The subtotal formula asks for the type of function you want to use for the subtotal. In this case, we want to use the sum function, which is number 9. So we type the number 9, comma, and then select the same exact range that we used for our sum function earlier. Close parenthesis and hit enter. You see that we got the same result as we did when we used the sum function, but that's because all of the cells in our selected range are still visible. Now I'm going to apply a filter on the data by doing the following. Select only the range of cells that I want to filter, navigate to the Data ribbon tab, and click the funnel-shaped filter button in the Sort and Filter section. If we wanted to know only how many parts beginning with P were sold, we can filter the part number column on the letter P. And you see now that the subtotal result has changed to reflect only the visible cells, while the sum result stayed constant. But it's important to note that this only works when you filter the data to hide cells. If you select specific rows or columns and manually hide them like this, the hidden cells will still be included in your subtotal sum result. A better function to use if you're going to manually hide rows or columns is the subtotal sum visible function. The formula is exactly like the subtotal sum function we used earlier, but this time we are going to use function number 109. Now you see when we manually hide rows, the sum and subtotal sum results stay constant, while the subtotal sum visible result is updating itself. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment to tell me how you used it, and share this video with your friends and coworkers. If you want to learn more, subscribe to my channel and check out my other Excel tutorials. Bye for now.